We will talk about some gym vocabularies. Make sure to check out my Etsy shop. Aralola has a lot of new products and very helpful workbooks. So, for gym vocabularies, the good news are there are a lot of words they use in English, so not too many to learn. For example, squats, deadlifts, lunges, barbell, bar, dumbbell, all of that, they would use English words. However, obviously, there are some few Arabic ones, and I will talk about them. And also, there is like one grammar that we should know. First thing is gym. They might say gym, but the other Arabic word for it is nadi. Nadi. Machine, jihaz. Jihaz. Weight, wazn. Wazn. Okay, so these are the main words. Also, exercise, tamreen, tamreen, and the plural, tamarin, tamarin. So, tamreen and tamarin. Now, there's one grammar that you should learn, which is, for example, you want to say Romanian deadlift. So if you have learned some Arabic, you might already know, you might have learned, you start with the noun and then the adjective, right? So Romanian is kind of the adjective, right? Describing what kind of deadlift. So if you want to say it in Arabic, you would say deadlift first, and then Romanian you will say it second, but in the Arabic way, which is Romania. So so the Romanian deadlift, deadlift الرومانية. Now, for countries, so when you wanna like say the nationality of something, like for example, I'm Palestinian, or I like Italian food or things like that, like nationality, you're going to say the name of the country and adding e to the ending. And if it's feminine, you're gonna add e and the ha marbuta in the end. So I'll give you a couple of examples. Palestinian, Falastini. So we're adding E in the end. That's masculine. For feminine, E and ha marbuta. So Falastiniye, Falastiniye. Romanian, Romani, Romaniye. American, Amriki, Amrikiye. So now back to the gym stuff. Romanian did left. You will hear people say it did left il Romania. Now you might ask, why did I treat did left as feminine? It honestly, like, just treat it the way you want. In the end of the day, it's English word, and it's not really following like gender, like it's masculine or feminine. So if you said did left to Romani or did left to Romania, either way is fine. But for me as a native speaker, I feel like if I refer to it as feminine, it just sounds better, sounds right to me. So, or Russian twist, التويست الروسية. So this is a grammar you want to learn or you have to know. Everything else most likely is going to be like in English, and these are the vocabularies: نادي, جهاز, وزن, تمرين, تمارين. I hope this helps. Thank you.